Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to use Findstring function in SSIS. So what is Findstring? Findstring is the function. It returns the position of your specific character in a particular expression or a string. So it takes three parameters. First one is expression, and second one is for which you are searching in the expression, search string, and second one is the occurance. So how many, if there are more than one or two occurrences are there, so for which occurrence you have to search by using the find string. So this is the integer, so it returns the position of this function. So it is nothing but Charindex, what we did in Charindex in SQL Server. In Charindex, we have to search for specific character of a column. It takes only two parameters, but in case of find string, it will take three parameters. Since we don't have any Charindex function in SSIS. Suppose in this demo, I want to show some invalid mails. This is my test mail table. It contains 5 mails. If you observe the mails in this table, some of them are invalid. So this is valid mail, and this is also valid mail, and this is invalid mail because we don't find any at symbol in this mail. So this is also invalid mail. We don't find any dot symbol, dot, and this is more than one at symbol is there. So last three are purely invalid mails. So by using the find string function, I want to extract these, how to extract the these invalid mails from this table, from this test mail table. So for that, I am taking new package, dragging data flow task into control pane, double click to configure. So since my source is the OLDB source table, I am taking the OLDB source, double click, I am connecting my database. So admin is my server name, sample is my database. So from then here I am taking test mail table. There you find two columns. Now I am dragging the conditional split in and connecting with the database OLDB source. You want to write the condition. So if you observe one thing, in derived column, the same, you have to write your expression in the expression condition, expression column field. But whereas in conditional split, instead of expression, it is showing condition. You need to write the condition here. So my output name here is invalid mail. Invalid mail. So here, first I am dragging the. I want to apply the find string function on mail ID, on email column. So first I am taking the find string function and I am dragging the email in between as the first parameter, and second one, what I am searching as per the logic here is now I want to search more than two at symbols. For that I am writing an expression as I am searching for at symbol here within within double quotes. I am searching at symbol and comma and occurrence. Occurrence here is 2. That means if you find more than two at symbols in the expression in the email greater than 1, this is the condition. So in the same expression, I want to write one more condition. To write one more condition, we just mention the pipe symbol, two pipe symbols, and copying this entire first condition, paste it here. My second condition is In this email, we don't find any at symbol. So for that, I am using the same condition, but my occurrence is here is 1 occurrence and is equal to 0 is equal to 0. If you do not find any at symbol in the email, that is also comes under invalid mail. So I am writing the third expression. I am writing the third expression. We don't find any dot symbol here. This is this is also comes under invalid mail output. So I am writing the same, copying the same one more time, paste it. So here in the email in search, I am searching for dot symbol, and it is equal to 1, which is equal to 1 and not equal to 0. So we want to, there is no dot symbol. We don't find any dot in this email, in fourth email. That's why I'm writing condition in this way. So this is entirely as invalid mail output now. By default, it will take one more output that we consider as valid mail output. Default output is valid mail, and the writing condition on invalid mail to extract from the table. So this is the Findstring function I used to extract the invalid mail from the table. So I'm clicking OK. Now I don't want to store in any tables here. I am using here as a multicast transformation to see the output, valid and invalid output. So I am connecting the conditional split with the first one is invalid mail, and second one is obviously it's valid mail. So to see the flow of data from transformation to destination, I am enabling the data viewer for two outputs. This is package is done. Now I am going to run the package. So whenever you run the package, last three emails are comes under invalid mail bucket, and first two are obviously valid mail bucket. See here, this is valid mail your data flow task, and this is invalid mail data flow task. So the find string expression as per your logic and as per your requirement. Once again, I am telling find string take three parameters. It is the replacement of Charindex in a SQL server. So the first one is expression, and second one is for which character you need to search in the expression, and for which occurrence you need to search. This is the additional parameter when you compare with the Charindex in SQL. So this is how you need to use the find string function in your SSIS while writing the condition or expression. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.